Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change table style on Microsoft PowerPoint. Now the first thing you have to do is open up your PowerPoint. After open the PowerPoint, just open up any blank document. At first you have to create a table. Just clear your all the page, just select it and then press delete key. Then click on insert and then click on table and select your table column and row. And you can see the table has been created successfully. Now, if you want to change your table style or customize your table, just select your table, and after select the table, you can find two tabs, table design and table layout. Just click on table design tab. Now you have to select your all the table by pressing Ctrl+A from your keyboard. And that's it. At the top, you can find table style option. Then just click on this arrow icon and here it is. Now here you can find so many table style, light, medium, dark, and you can choose any kind of table style as you like. Suppose if you want to set this table style, you have to just select it and that's it. You can see the table style has been changed successfully. And that is how you can change table style on Microsoft PowerPoint. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.